Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Music City Series Nashville wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, if you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it is not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of it and all of the settings, so you can basically repair and reset up this speaker like it's brand new coming out of the box. We can do this easily with the speaker on. We're going to find this Bluetooth button right here and the volume up button right here. We're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds until you'll actually hear the speaker say factory reset, at which point you can release those buttons and go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker, repairing it. So you're going to want to delete it off your phone or whatever other devices you've had it with paired with before, so that you can repair it as a new device. And then if you decide you just want to get a new speaker, you can check the link in the description for a link to a good speaker at a good price.